Welcome to Mr.tech. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge machines and technologies that are driving the future of various industries. From revolutionizing production processes to enhancing our daily lives, these machines are at the forefront of innovation and growth. Let's explore how these advancements are shaping our world. Advanced robotics is transforming precision manufacturing by taking over tasks that require high accuracy and consistency. These robots can work tirelessly around the clock, assembling intricate parts with minimal error. This level of precision not only boosts production rates but also reduces waste, helping manufacturers maintain high standards while scaling up operations. Drones are making waves in agriculture by offering a bird's-eye view of crops. Equipped with sensors and cameras, these flying machines can monitor crop health, assess soil conditions, and even apply fertilizers and pesticides with pinpoint accuracy. This level of precision in farming ensures higher yields and more efficient use of resources, enabling farmers to grow their businesses sustainably. Modular construction is revolutionizing the building industry by allowing structures to be assembled quickly and efficiently. Prefabricated modules are built off-site and then transported to the construction site for assembly. This method not only speeds up the building process but also reduces material waste and costs. As a result, construction companies can take on more projects and deliver them faster. Artificial intelligence is playing a pivotal role in healthcare by improving diagnostics and treatment plans. AI algorithms can analyze medical data to detect patterns that might be missed by human eyes, leading to earlier diagnoses and more personalized treatments. This technology empowers healthcare professionals to provide better care and manage their practices more efficiently, ultimately benefiting patients. Smart warehousing is the future of storage and distribution, leveraging automation to manage inventory with greater efficiency. Automated guided vehicles (AGVs), robotic arms, and AI-driven management systems work together to streamline operations, from receiving goods to shipping them out. This automation reduces errors, cuts down on labor costs, and enables companies to handle larger volumes of products. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work alongside humans, assisting them in tasks that require precision or heavy lifting. These machines are programmed to be safe and adaptable, making them ideal for various industries, including manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. By integrating cobots, businesses can enhance productivity without replacing human workers, leading to a more harmonious and efficient workplace. Autonomous vehicles are set to revolutionize transportation by eliminating the need for human drivers. From self-driving cars to autonomous trucks and delivery drones, these vehicles promise to make transportation faster, safer, and more efficient. By adopting autonomous technologies, companies can reduce logistics costs and expand their reach, paving the way for new business opportunities. Renewable energy machines, such as solar panels, wind turbines, and geothermal systems, are critical in the shift towards sustainable energy. These technologies harness natural resources to generate clean power, reducing the dependency on fossil fuels. By investing in renewable energy, businesses can lower their carbon footprint and ensure a steady, sustainable energy supply for the future. Artificial intelligence is transforming retail by enabling personalized shopping experiences. AI-driven recommendation engines, smart shelves, and automated checkout systems provide customers with tailored product suggestions and a seamless shopping journey. Retailers that embrace AI can enhance customer satisfaction, increase sales, and grow their brand loyalty. 5G technology is revolutionizing communication by providing faster and more reliable internet connections. With its high-speed data transfer and low latency, 5G enables new possibilities in remote work, telemedicine, and smart city initiatives. Businesses that leverage 5G can improve their operational efficiency and expand their services to a global audience. Food automation is enhancing production processes and ensuring safety standards in the food industry. Automated sorting, packaging, and quality control machines reduce human error and increase efficiency, leading to safer and higher quality food products. By integrating automation, food producers can scale up their operations while maintaining strict safety standards. Automation in mining is improving the extraction process by using advanced machinery to perform tasks that were once labor-intensive and dangerous. Automated drills, conveyor systems, and autonomous haulage trucks increase the speed and safety of mining operations. This technology enables mining companies to extract resources more efficiently and cost-effectively. AI-driven customer service tools, such as chatbots and virtual assistants, are transforming the way businesses interact with their customers. These tools provide instant, 24/7 support, answering queries and resolving issues in real time. These robots can engage students with interactive lessons, provide personalized tutoring, and even help with administrative tasks. By integrating robotics into education, schools can offer a more dynamic and engaging learning experience. AI in the entertainment industry is enabling the creation of more immersive and personalized experiences. From AI-generated content to virtual reality and augmented reality, these technologies allow creators to push the boundaries of storytelling. Entertainment companies that adopt AI can attract larger audiences and create innovative content that resonates with viewers. Fintech innovations are transforming financial operations with technologies like blockchain, AI-driven analytics, and digital wallets. These tools streamline financial processes, reduce fraud, and provide better access to financial services. By adopting fintech, businesses can improve their financial management, reduce costs, and offer more competitive services to their clients. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into how cutting-edge machines are shaping the future of various industries, make sure to subscribe to Mr.tech. Stay updated with the latest advancements in technology that are driving growth and innovation worldwide. See you in the next video.